Hello, Floris here from XenForo.com, and in this screencast, which is related to the other 13 screencasts I've made about adding your own or making your own add-on, I want to just personalize one for intrabox. I recently had a chat with him, and now I noticed one of his new threads on XenForo.com where he said, I want my stuff to appear at the most bottom part, so how do I do that? And the same plugin that I've created, the same add-on, can actually do this. So first of all, we'll have to make sure that we're choosing bottom. So we'll do that. And secondly, we have to make sure that shows at the bottom. There we go. Okay, but this is a certain hook, and we want to see what hook is available to us. So we're gonna have to go through our stuff here and find footer templates. And the footer template has a Xen hook with the name footer, and there is another one here, Xen hook for footer links, but it's within the whole footer hook. The end of the footer hook actually ends all the way at the end of the template. So that's the one we want to do something with, because at the end of all of it he wants to put something on the page. So that's good. We can use that footer. So the next step is to go to our PHP file and change the one for the bottom position from whatever we use in our plugin to footer, and have a look at how that is affecting our plugin. And there you go. We're now no longer in the page, we're now at the top of the footer, which shows you that it's almost at the bottom of the page. But of course he mentioned he wants it at the most bottom of the page. Let's have a look at the plugin again. In one of the screencasts I've mentioned that we are gonna use our own string here to populate it with our own template, then prepend it to contents, which is from XenForo. So this one is from XenForo and this is ours, and we're gonna put it in front of contents. So, and I've done it this way exactly for a situation like this where you want to have a little bit more control over the position, even if the plugin or even if a hook isn't really available to say like at the top of the footer or at the bottom of the footer. So what we're going to do is take this one away from the beginning, and we're going to append it at the end. And we're going to save and have another look at our page. And there you go. Now it's at the most bottom part of the page. I'm not really sure I can make it any lower, unless there might be a hook wrapping around footer and all of that stuff, but that would be a matter of investigating. So hopefully this is what you're looking for.